Okay, this is how I created a clipping mask for this frame. I'm going to go ahead and delete this picture. This is called a clipping mask. It's the area inside this frame, which is this black circle here. And as you can see, the cat is in that black circle and you can move him around. But here's how I did that. I'm going to go ahead and delete. You have a frame. It's a ping with a transparent background. And what you do is get your wand tool, grab your circle of the frame. You're going to go over here and add a new layer. And you're going to edit, go over here, edit, fill with black. And then you're going to deselect. Now you're going to grab the photo that you want, open that up, use your arrow key, slide that over. So that is on top of that circle. All you do is while you're on the photo, you press the Alt key on the keyboard, bring this cursor with the finger down to the edge, and you see it just gives it a little arrow, and you just click on it. You just tap it right down, let go with your left hand on the Alt key, let go, and it just snaps it right into there. And you can move it around. If you need to make it smaller, you press on the edit and arrow, and you're going to press your shift key so you keep it all in perspective, and you can move your little box. You can make it a little smaller. And click on the apply, click on the arrow again and say apply, and then it can make it smaller so it fits perfectly. Then you're going to file, save as, a ping file, or whatever you want, JPEG, whatnot. Ping is going to have a transparent background. Now you can either keep this in layers for Photoshop to use it again. So in other words, you would just upload another photo and simply put that photo above this layer. You always want the next photo to be above this circle. Or you can just go ahead and merge it all. Just say layer, merge visible. It becomes one layer. Or stepping backwards, you can also do it this way. You click on the top layer, add a layer, press Control, Alt, select E, and that makes a whole new layer of its own, merging everything together. And now you don't need these three. And then file, save as, whatever you want.